light the other ones on fire.
I'm my dad.
That's a long ass firework.
Your dad?
No, I'm with my dad.
You want to get down?
Yeah.
Back a little bit.
That's all in just one firework.
Good.
Yeah.
Makes me feel like I got my money's worth.
Yeah, just from that one firework.
I just grabbed it. I got 4 different fireworks in my hand. I grabbed 4 more. I grabbed 5 of them. Just let them all at once.
That's what I tried to do with that first one. It didn't work out that way.
Look at that.
We did that one year when we shot everybody. You shot everybody with no, it was me.
Pretty close.
There we go.
Jake is
That
over here
one's there.
blaming me.
Right, run, son.
That's not gonna hurt.
Some more wire.
Don't teach Nolan bad habits.
Don't do what I do, son.
No, I'm talking about Jesse.
I didn't step over the fireworks.
I'll do that.
I just did. I got more.
McKinney, you almost exploded yourself in our backyard at the fire pit.
I still want to find that fucking video. Hey, I don't think it's done yet. I don't think it's long enough for this yet. It's not long enough.
Jesse, your hair's on fire.
Come catch you.
Where's Dan? Dan, you're missing the fireworks.
He's starting a fire,
He's starting the actual fire.
Okay, that's